Hi guys, today we will be unboxing a 5 surprise toy mini brands, 5 exclusive minis inside. This is a collector's case. There's mini toys brands that fit in your hand. There's so many that we can collect. We can collect all 30 minis to fill the case. I'm super excited about this kit, and let's get into it. Woo! Okay. First, I see this little unicorn thing. I love it. It's super cute and it's like all metallic-y. Next, we have this Crayola glue. It's super cute and it's washable, just like the original. Now we have this SpongeBob robot, and it's super funny to see his face. Here's just a little manual to see what some of the most commons that we can get are. There is a little slip and slide surfer ride. It's super cute. I feel like we have one of these. And then we have a JoJo bow. Well, I hope you guys liked what we collected today. If you want more, please hit the subscribe button and like my videos for more.